What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, but here we are grinding it out, trying to get our truck done, as you can see behind me. Today, as you can tell by what I'm wearing, we're going to be talking about another sponsorship and showing an install and some products from Boost Auto. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned to the end of this video. I'll show you some cool products, drop them down in the description, maybe have a discount code for you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this product review / install. So I already went ahead and put one on. This is the sequential switchback mirror turn signal from Boost Auto. It's actually really nice quality. I'll show you guys the other one that we have in the box over there, but it's actually really nice. I'll show you when you open the door. It's LED and it lights up. It's actually really nice. And it's not one of those like BS lights. It's actually a pure white light. And it looks pretty good. It goes with our headlights. And then we are also running the Boost Auto sequential turn signal cab lights. I'll have a video probably in the next week or so installing and explaining those and how those are. But yeah, overall this is actually really nice, really good quality. I'll show you with the turn or the blinker on. Let me put my key forward and turn that on. Right now we have a hyper flash. Our taillights aren't hooked up, but yeah, that's actually very bright. I don't know if it's you could tell on camera, but it's actually really bright. So I don't know what I did with the box. Don't pay attention to all the tools and everything. Our bed also is off of the truck. We're getting some dents and stuff fixed on that. But yeah, we have our bed off, so you can kind of see our lift and our frame faceplates, the axle. We're gonna get a new pipe for our truck. That one's a little rusted, but yeah, this is so far the rear. But anyways, I don't know where the box came or went. And yeah, so they sent it to you like this in the package wrap. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. I promise you it's packaged a lot nicer than that. You can see our cab lights are over there, or all our wiring for the cab lights. But they come all bubble wrapped and shrink wrapped. It's hard to do this with one hand. But yeah, they come like that. And it's actually, like I said, packaged really nice. I just don't know what I did with the box. But I'm gonna go ahead and compare on the other side, on the passenger side, one to the other. So here is, I think this one is not Rigid Industries. What's the other one? Recon. This one's a Go Recon one. I mean, it's nice. I had it, they were smoked. I had a buddy of mine tape it, if you can kind of see right there, and then color match it to the truck. I mean, it's nice. It's okay. But I mean, just overall, the quality looks so much better from Boost Auto. So what I'm going to do now is set up a tripod, and that way I can actually show you guys and then talk about how to pull this out and how to install this new one. So you'll see when you get them, there's a right hand and a left hand. Obviously, right hand is for passenger side. If we're looking at our vehicle this way, right would be on your right hand, left would be left. If we're facing the other way, driver's side would be right, or still left, passenger side would be right if we're sitting in our vehicle. So they come with these little plugs, and it's cool because they're actually, I guess they're like little boards or whatever you want to call that. But they come like that. And it's actually really clean and really nice looking compared to the other ones, if I'm being honest. And just the overall quality on these are actually very bright. I haven't seen them at nighttime, and I'm really eager to see them at night. But these are actually really nice. You'll see right there, Boost Auto parts. And it feels really nice. Like the plastic doesn't feel cheap or, you know, just the worst quality. It's actually really nice quality. All right, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna show you how to take your other one off and install this one. So when you go to pull this one out, there's this little tab right here that you'll see. So when you put this back in, it goes that way like that. I'm not gonna actually pop it back in. What you'll wanna do is take a flathead screwdriver, turn your mirror in towards the driver's side, push it in, and take a flathead and you'll pop it out. And what you're doing is pressing on this clip right here, and you're pushing it, and then that'll pop it out. And then you'll come here and you'll disconnect these like so, and then it comes out. But if we are going to compare the two, I mean, this one's also very dirty, but if we're going to compare the two, I mean, you can just see the quality just looks so much better on this one. I mean, the cables, and it just, this one looks crappy. It looks crummy. It looks crappy. I'm not going to lie. If you look at the two sides on the front, it just overall, it looks better, in my opinion. So out with that one. And now we're going to install this one. All right, so what I like to do to make sure we're connecting the right wires, I like to turn the turn signal on, so when I plug it in, if it's flashing, we have the right connections. So let me go do that. Now what you want to do is take your ends. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. The top one will go to the top one right here. But like I said, just to be safe, I like to, just in case, turn the turn signal on, which you'll see right there. There's the turn signal turning. And then now you can take your tape off. And then what you're gonna wanna do is, these are actually really cool. They've got these notches made for a watertight seal. So you'll just match them up by the notches on your factory mirrors, and you'll push the excess wire back in, you'll line it up, and then you'll turn it just like you would a headlight, like that, until you get a lock. So we're just gonna feed the wire through like I just explained. See the sides that meet up, and then turn it. And then what we're gonna do is line it up. Once you hear a click, it's in. So now I'm gonna turn the turn signal off, probably crank the truck so you can see it when it turns back to LED. First, I'm gonna show you though, you'll see with the headlight right here, the turn signal is flashing with the headlight. I know it's kind of loud, so it might be hard to hear me with the truck being on, but as you can tell, this is really dark. Like I said, what I think I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna turn the lights off in the shop, and you guys can get a better idea. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but you guys can actually get like a better idea of how bright these are. So I'll probably end up doing that, but you see the blinkers work with the headlights since they're sequential and then they switch back. So right after you use your turn signal, goes right back from amber to white. Like I said, it's like a pure white, not one of those blue, like I guess you would say, I forget what they call it, the other kind of blue where it's like different colors mixed together. This is an actual pure white, like on our rock lights. So it's really nice, really bright. You'll see once we do our cab lights, when I do that video, they'll all work. The mirror turn signals with the headlights and the cab lights, they'll all, when I hit the turn signal or put our hazards on, all shine at the same time. So now I'm gonna turn the lights off in the shop and you'll see just how bright these are. As you'll see, she's pretty bright. So now we're gonna turn the turn signal on and you'll see in the dark how bright the amber turn signal is. So as you guys can see, she's bright. These are definitely a good investment. I want to say they're about $500. I'll have to check again, but if I have a discount code, I'll link it in the description. You want good quality parts. These are nice quality parts. I was so thankful to receive a shirt, a hat, and some stickers and some other stuff. Huge shout out to Josh at Boost Auto. Thank you guys very much. Like I said, we got some more products coming. I'm gonna see about doing some of their steps. We have the cab lights we have to wire up and do a video on. I went ahead and mounted them, but we have to run the wires. But as you guys can see, the quality is just, you know, really good. So that's pretty much gonna end the video here. Like I said in the beginning, I will have links in the description to their website and their product. I'll link their Instagram as well. Go give them a follow, check out their website, get you some parts. You won't be sorry. As always, I will see you guys in the next